It's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz CLS. Sculpted, muscular, aggressive. This amazing luxury four-door coupe is without a doubt a treat for the eyes. The exquisite interior and powerful engine please the rest of your senses. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: twin-turbo V8 engine, height-adjustable automatic with driver control suspension, driver selectable mode, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system, refrigerated box located in the console, multi-zone climate control, external memory control, power telescoping steering column, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Car and driver notes: the brakes are simply unflappable, with short pedal travel and surprising fade resistance in hard street driving. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.